Good? Hey everybody, this is Hal Bender. I'm here at GC Burkhead. It's Thursday, August the 3rd. Is that right? And tonight's our open house. We've got lots of families coming in. They're going to meet their teacher. They're going to get their bus information, their car information. We've got lots of vendors from the community here, and we're just really excited to see our families for the upcoming year.
Okay, my name's Kent Hagan. I'm a bus driver for Hardin County Board of Education, and I drive out of GC Burkhead in Central Hardin. And this is the beginning of the new school year, and there's a few things that kids need to know before they get on a bus of a morning. First of all, they need to know their bus number. They need to be at the bus stop 5 minutes prior to the time the bus arrives, and wait at least 5 minutes after the bus is supposed to arrive. That way, if the bus is running late, then they'll have a chance to catch it. If they did miss the bus, a good phone number is 270-769-8991, and that's the coordinator, bus coordinator, and they'll give you directions on what you need to do from there.
Hi, welcome to GC Burkhead. I'm Suzanne Parrett. I'm the coordinator for the Family Resource Center here. We're excited for the upcoming school year, and if families have any needs or are new to the community and want some more information, they can contact me at 270-737-0896.